To get excited, there's a pot down there. Oh, there's something in it. Right by a little stream. It's deep as well, so this is exciting stuff, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to contain myself. It might just be the pot. If it's just the pot, it's just the pot, but there's definitely a circle pot. Oh, that's a can, it's a tin. I got excited then. It's a tin, guys, it's just a tin. Just a tin, I think. Oh, that was a bugger. When you see that in the ground that deep, look how down, how far down, like that, with mud in it, by a little river. Let me just check what comes.